case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1995, the Iowa Supreme Court was embroiled in a case that highlighted the severity and consequence of harassment, stalking, and the breaking of injunctions. The case, Matlock v. Weets, wove a narrative of fear, defiance, and ultimately judicial intervention. Robin Matlock, tired of living in fear due to the constant harassment and stalking from John Weets, finally decided to seek legal protection. Weets had been relentlessly tracking Matlock's movements, going as far as breaking into her home without consent and leaving unsolicited gifts and letters. His frequent appearances at various places on her daily route had become unnerving for Matlock. This led to her filing a petition for an injunction aimed at prohibiting Weets from contacting her or being near her place of work or home. The lower court heard Matlock's plea and swiftly responded by issuing both temporary and permanent injunctions against Weets. These protective measures were established to prevent any further induced harm to Matlock. However, this decision was met with resistance. Weets appealed, arguing that the injunctions were unwarranted and served to bring undue hardship upon him. Despite his protest, the court discovered that Weets had continuously and willfully violated the temporary injunction. This led to a successful guilt charge for contempt based on his blatant disregard for the court's decree. Upon investigating the charges, the court found an abundance of substantive evidence that confirmed Weets's intentional disobedience of the injunction. Ultimately, the courts ruled in Matlock's favor. They upheld the issuance of both the temporary and permanent injunctions, given the clear-cut threat Weets's actions presented to Matlock's personal safety. On the grounds of contempt, Weets's refusal to follow the temporary injunction was seen as a deliberate attack on the rights of others. The writ of certiorari associated with the case was annulled, cementing the finality of the court's decision.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.